Stock investing, I got over 3,000 in one single trade, and I got over 900, close to 1,000 within one day. So how did I do that? Today I'm going to talk about 11 stocks companies that's going to be reported earnings this week, and those companies can change your life, and they changed mine too. So what companies are those? Welcome to World Traveling Millionaire Stock Investor and Option Trader channel. So S&P 500, it barely moved the past 5 days. Year to date, look at this. Year to date, S&P 500 is basically up, positive, which is good. But one thing for sure, in the stock market, over the past 5 years, is almost double. It's very hard to lose money if you just invest in S&P 500. And Nasdaq, the past 5 days, it's just down a little bit. Year to date, it's positive, pretty good. The past 5 years, hey, very simple to make money in the stock market. Just buy Nasdaq, or index fund, ETF, then just let it sit, and then we're gonna be making money. But most people don't make money because they are not consistent. You need to put every week or every month. This year, it doesn't matter if the stock market goes down. Do not panic. The stock market went down. Do not panic. But the past 5 years, yeah, it's positive. Dow Jones, the past 5 days, negative. Year to date, positive. Doesn't matter, whatever the index or stock market you look at, it's positive over the past 5 years. Before looking at the companies that reported earnings last week, we're gonna look at the data. GDP performed better than expected, 4.4% versus 4.3%. PC in line with expectation, so nothing fancy here, nothing changed so much. Barnes & Noble, positive a little bit. Netflix is one down, but this is interesting. Netflix, why is that so? If you look at the past 1 year, Netflix, you see, it's at a support level. Right here is around $86. Right here is, look at this, $86. Right here, $86. So it's right at the support. We have two support the previous day. $86. So I believe that this is the bottom, right? Short-term bottom. Netflix is overvalued right now. But for trading, this could be a very tradable bottom, right? It's very hard for Netflix to go down because I don't see so many bad news, right, coming in. But their advertising revenue could be coming back. So if I want to get in Netflix right now, I may get in right now. There are a few ways I could buy stock, or I could sell put option. Those two ways. Then if the stock bounce back, right, it's already the past 5 days, it just bounced back a little bit. Bounce back, I could profit for that, right? Yeah, I might be thinking about trading Netflix this coming week. DHI, DR Hold'em. This is a real estate home builder. So it went down the past 5 days after the earnings report. But look at the year to date. Positive. And 1 year, I'm not going to get in because you see the support right here is around 137, 140. So right here is 140. So I may wait. If I want to get into DR Hold'em, DHI, I may wait a little bit, right? I know the interest rates are coming down, and the real estate market could be booming again. Personally, I don't really like to invest in real estate company because my portfolio is in AI and other better companies, right? Better performance company. So, but if it goes down to 130, 140, I may get back. I may get in to DR Hold'em. This is not financial advice, okay? So I'm just teaching you what I think. Next one, Johnson & Johnson. Johnson & Johnson. Positive the past 5 days, year to date, definitely positive 6.17. Johnson & Johnson already broke out. Like I told you in my previous video, the past 5 years, it just moved in a range that it just broke out. So I believe Johnson & Johnson could be headed for more. But I may wait a little bit for a pullback if I want to get into Johnson & Johnson. But personally, I think they are better companies, so I'm not going to get in. Most likely not in Johnson & Johnson. Next one, Intel. Intel crash 70%. That's why I told you I only invest in the best companies. I know the US government invested in Intel. Nvidia also invested in Intel. It's just because it's an American company. The governments didn't want American company to lose, to fail. So it's very normal for them to invest in that. But the thing is that if investing in companies is like having children, right? If you have 3 children, let's say one of the child is really bad. He wastes money, he gambles, he drinks, he smokes. So if you put all your money in one dead child, most likely you're gonna lose money. The most rational, the most successful investor, what they do is that they're gonna put their money the most successful child, right? The best child, the good behaving child. So that child becomes successful, he can contribute the other 2 child, right? So that's why some of my stocks perform like really well. Some of my stocks do not perform well. So those best performing stocks, the gains cover more than the losses. All the losses that combined. Just one stock could cover all the losses. That's why I only invest in the best company. Even though the other companies are losing money, I just need to wait. I don't have to sell them yet, right? But if you put all your money or most of your money in a bad company, you could be losing money. So ISRG, Intuition, this is a great company I'm looking to get into, but I think it's overvalued right now. I'm more interested. I already traded call option right here, so I already profited. But you see it coming down, so I'm just going to wait. There's no support. If it comes down to $430 again, hey, I'm definitely going to get back in because they could be making robotic surgery, right? In the future, the robots gonna be performing surgery, small, minor surgery. So they could be there at the front of that industrial revolution. So moving on to the 11 stock. Okay, this coming week, what I'm going to use? FOMC meeting. So Wednesday, the stock market could be a little bit nervous. Tuesday and Wednesday, so just be careful trading on those days. But I think most of these FOMC, either they hold the interest rate or they're gonna reduce the interest rate. Only 2 options. They're not gonna raise the interest rate for sure. 99% sure. Okay. And core PPI report coming in. So it will be interesting to see. Stock number 11, United Hair Group. Okay, United Hair Group year to date at 5.9%. So the past 5 years, United Hair Group barely positive. It used to be $600 stock. Okay, it used to be $600 stock. Then after it crashed, look at the maximum. This is something interesting. You see, going up, one down like half. So I think it's going to be time for United Hair to recover. So but just need to wait for earnings report, see how they are doing. If they are doing well, their stock could go up. If they are doing bad, stock could go down a little bit. But because I think it's already bottom, so they may not go down like another 30%. In the past year, it's already down 34.45%. Okay, Microsoft gonna be reporting earnings year to date, negative 1.48%. The past 5 days, 1.82. Hey, only one day is up 3.35% on January 23rd, Friday. Okay, so what did I do to get $3,000 in a single trade? Okay, let's go right here. This is $3,000. If you see that this is a Microsoft put option, February 6, strike price 480. So I sold it at 3,219. So that was all. February 22nd. So February 23rd, what happened? It jumped, right? 3% jump. So I gained 30% gain. See, just 3% jump, I gained 30%. Positive 1,000 within 1 day. But I still have 2,000 more to go. So what does it mean? Microsoft February 6, 2026. So I'm sold put option. That means that I'm ready to buy Microsoft 100 shares at $480 per share on or before February 6, 2026 in exchange for premium that the put option buyer gives me, which was 3,200. So just because the stock price went up, I just need to pay 2,200 right now to buy back. Because once you sell put option, you need to buy back to close, or you just let it expire. So that's how to keep the whole 3,200. Just let it expire. So put option buyers is bearish on the stock. Put option seller is bullish on the stock. So I'm bullish on Microsoft. So that's why I sold put option. I'm ready to buy this share, 100 shares at $480. Right? So he gave me 3,200. So within 1 day, I made 1,000. Because why am I confident to buy that one? Because Microsoft has been going downtrending for some time, have been consolidating right here, downtrend. So it can be going down all the time, okay? Because it's a great company, in my professional opinion. So that's why I sold put option. Earnings are coming up, and you know what? I'm ready to buy at 480. Doesn't matter whatever it is, and I'm ready right now. So that's what I did. So you could also do that too. Right now, you can also sell at 482. Sell put option February 6. Strike price the same as me, 480. You can stay sell, and you could stay at 2,230, right? But you need to have 448,000 ready in cash to buy 100 shares of Microsoft. Otherwise, do not sell Microsoft. So this is a very, very simple and easy way to make money, just within 1 day, just like that. By selling this put option, you get 2,000 in your account right away. So it's just like within a second. But you just need to wait to make sure that it expires 0 worthless to keep the whole thing, the whole premium. Or you can easily buy back. Let's say you sell put option on Monday, right? $2,230. Then let's say the stock jump on Tuesday, Wednesday, then all you have to do is just buy back at maybe $500. So you just pocket 1,500 very easily within the next few days. If the stock jumps like crazy after earnings report, which is coming this coming week, it's even better. Sometimes you just need to buy back at $100, $200. So that means you are pocketing 2,000 within the next few days. Just be ready to buy at Microsoft at 480 per share. Okay. Be ready for the cash. Meta, year to date, 1.28%. Meta is another stock that I believe is gonna go up. The past 5 years, it's been S&P but see it dipped, then went up, then it dipped again, then after that it went up. But I think it's time for Meta to go up again. Because this year is a midterm election year, so lots of advertisers are going to be advertising on Meta. The past 5 days it's already up, so that means most likely Meta is going to be up after the earnings too, because it's not overbought. It was actually oversold, so that's why it jumped 5x5 form. So I could also do put option selling on Meta too. Just be ready to buy at Meta at whatever strike price that I'm going to put in. Next one, Tesla year to date up 2.51%. 5 year, it just doesn't be S&P 500. It's already at the top. If they have bad news during the earnings call, it could go down. But I think probably they may have bad news and good news mixed together. So let's see how it's gonna be. Next one, ASML. A year to date 19%. 1 year, double. Okay, 5 year is easily be S&P 500. Look at this. I own 100 shares of ASML. Average cost $753. So 64,000 profit, and the cost gonna be only 75,000. I just added, TCA. That's how profit. It's less than 1 year. ASML. Look at this, 85%. I always send out the alert to my Patreon member too. Yeah, less than 1 year. Look at this. Next one, Apple. Apple is overvalued. I don't own Apple, so probably one of them. Magnificent 7 stock that I don't own. One of the few. And 5 years, it be S&P 5. It's okay on par with S&P 500, but you see it's coming down, so I'm not going to buy it yet. I may be interested if it's hit $200 or $210. Yeah, just need to wait a little bit. Let's see how it's gonna be. Here to the down 10% above. Next one, Visa. Visa, I like it because they are business models. Every time somebody spends money with Visa, credit card, debit card, doesn't matter. Visa makes money. Okay, inflation doesn't matter. Deflation doesn't matter. Recession doesn't matter. Booming, even better. So you have to be down 5.86%. So 5 year, look at this, 69% the past 5 years. Look at it. Now it's now consolidating. So for some time, so just need to break out, and they already have the stable coins. In future, we may be able to pay with stable coin. They are working on it. Visa, Master, which is good. So yeah, good. Mastercard down year to date 6.82%. 1 year, look at this. Oh, down. So I may be interested in probably sell put option. One of the advanced option. If you believe that the stock gonna go up after the earnings report, you can do a few things. You can buy the stock, you can buy call option, or you can sell put option. Or there are a few others advanced option strategy. You can ask me during a mentorship call. The link's gonna be in the YouTube description comment down below. So one of my favorite strategy is to sell put option. I could sell put option on Mastercard right now at the strike price of $500 or $510 or even $520. I'm willing to pay for that. So for Mastercard, probably Visa 310 or 326, doesn't matter. I may probably sell it at the money options, $326. So if you have any questions, comment down below. If you want to learn more, share, subscribe. Okay, next one, Caterpillar. I've been waiting for Caterpillar to go down because of infrastructure base. This is very good for Caterpillar. There is an AR data center beta, the silver and gold. The mining company, they need to buy Caterpillar machines to mine more because gold prices are off the roof and silver prices are off the roof as well. So 1 year, look at the 1 year up, 58%. 5 year, it beat S&P 500. I just wish that they just messed up a little bit and crashed 30%. Then I could buy Caterpillar. Okay. Next one, American Express, the same as Visa, Master, but they have the bank. So that's why 1 year performance 14.21%. It's better than Mastercard. Okay. 1 year performance 2.5% because the financials are performing better, especially the bank. So American Express, both credit card processing and the bank, so they perform better than Visa, Master. But if economy is bad, I believe American Express will get hit much harder than Visa and Master because they own the bank. Okay, the past 5 years it beat S&P 500 very easily. American Express seems to be better performing for now. Next one, Lam Research, year to date up 70.77%, 18%. So the past 5 years, look at this, 350. So almost 5 times. So this is one of my favorite stock. I sent an alert to Patreon. It's already 3 or 4 times since my alert as well. So which stock do I like the most? I like almost all of them, but I'm thinking to buy United Health, Microsoft, Meta maybe or maybe not. I sold put option on Meta. I sold put option on Microsoft as well. I also sold put option on United Healthcare. Tesla no. ASML I have one of the shares of ASML. You see, 64,000. Apple no. I may sell put option on Visa. I may sell put option on Mastercard. Maybe not on American Express because see it's up, it's already up. In case it crashes, I could sell put option after the earnings report. If it crashes, that's a different strategy. Lab result, no, I may not sell it because if it crashes after the earnings report, I could sell put option. If you want to learn more, go to Master Risk Stock Option Crypto. Go to live. I do live weekly, Saturday or Sunday. So you are welcome to come back and ask me questions in the chat box below. If you want to reach out to me and have a mentorship call, you can join the link in the description comment down below. It's Friday on the 3rd or 4th week of every month.